We have about 16 kilometers of gravel roads we maintain in Rosthern area here. And then in the wintertime, a grader rolls out and accumulates about 400 hours just in winter snow removal. Rosthern is halfway between Saskatchewan and PA. We lost our grader in a shop fire. SMS came up and brought a grader in for us to use for 2 weeks and demo the unit and test it out.
Traction, power, it was everything we needed for a grader.
I like it for the visibility.
It's a big ticket item for a small town, so you want to make the right investment choices. Making sure it's going to be cost effective, but my operators can fit in it, and it's going to be strong, reliable, as well as being able to adapt technologically. The service guys come to our shop, where I don't have to be trucking the piece of equipment down to Saskatoon to get service. We have the SMS warranty package. It's an 84-month, 4,000-hour unit. It's benefiting our community most effectively in fuel consumption is where I see the improvement in my budgets versus the other pieces of equipment we've had in the past.